If you watch this video till the end, I promise you no one will ever disrespect you again. Respect isn't something you ask for, it's something you earn. The way you carry yourself, the actions you take, and the mindset you build will determine how people treat you. Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful ways to make anyone respect you without even saying a word. And trust me, the first point alone will change how people see you forever. Let's get started. Most people talk about their dreams, but few actually take action. If you want respect, let your results speak for you. Instead of constantly announcing your plans, focus on execution. People will notice your consistency and discipline without you having to say a word. The more you prove yourself through action, the more people will take you seriously. Actions create trust and credibility, while empty words do the opposite. Whether in your career, relationships, or personal development, showing results is what earns respect. When others see that you don't just talk but actually do the work, they'll admire you and naturally start treating you with more respect. Difficult situations reveal true character. People respect those who can stay calm and composed under pressure because it signals strength and control. If you panic or react emotionally to every challenge, others will see you as weak. Instead, train yourself to handle stress with a steady mind, making people trust and respect your ability to lead. Confidence doesn't mean arrogance. It means believing in yourself even when things get tough. When you stay focused and composed in high-pressure situations, people naturally gravitate toward you. They see you as a leader, someone reliable, and that alone will make them respect you without you needing to ask for it. Strength in all areas of life commands respect. Physical strength shows discipline, mental strength shows intelligence, and emotional strength shows control. If you take care of your body, develop your mind, and master your emotions, people will see you as powerful. Strength naturally makes you stand out and earn respect effortlessly. A weak person is easily ignored, but a strong person is impossible to overlook. Being physically fit shows self-discipline, having mental sharpness shows wisdom, and controlling your emotions shows maturity. When you develop these qualities, you don't have to demand respect. It comes naturally because people admire those who are strong in every way. People don't just want to be heard, they want to be understood. One of the most underrated ways to gain respect is by being a great listener. Instead of talking over people or waiting for your turn to speak, truly listen to what they are saying. This simple act makes others feel valued, and in return, they respect you more. Being empathetic doesn't mean being weak, it means understanding people on a deeper level. When you listen carefully and acknowledge others' perspectives, they see you as someone wise and mature. Over time, this makes people trust and respect you more because they know you genuinely care. People judge and respect you based on how you carry yourself. Before you even say a word, your posture, eye contact, and movements communicate confidence or weakness. If you stand tall, make direct eye contact, and move with purpose, people will naturally respect you. Weak posture, fidgeting, or avoiding eye contact, on the other hand, signals insecurity, making others dismiss you. Your presence should command attention, not demand it. Walk into a room with confidence, maintain controlled and deliberate movements, and speak calmly. When you master your body language, you won't need to prove yourself with words. People will instinctively respect you just by the way you present yourself. For respect isn't demanded, it's earned through your actions, mindset, and discipline. When you stay consistent, build real strength, set boundaries, and listen with intent, people will naturally admire you. Apply these principles and you'll never have to ask for respect again. It will come to you effortlessly.